With Shiba Inu Coin gearing up to break that zero wall, to break that 1,000 point per coin mark, to drop that zero and hopefully never pick it back up, we've got a lot of interesting technical analysis articles being written. We've got a lot of interesting posts being written by the ecosystem team. And we've got a lot of interesting projects out there that may or may not bring utility to Shiba Inu Coin. I want to talk about the latest and the greatest that is happening with Shiba Inu Coin, what it means for you and I, and of course, if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. Let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. I'm here to make 2024 the best year ever. If you haven't clicked that subscribe button, make sure to subscribe to the channel. Join us, become a bro. We are here every single day, and we are growing our portfolios together. Now, look, if you guys are brand new to investing, you don't know how or where to buy stocks and crypto, you get a link in the description below for Webull. It is super simple to set up your account. Any deposit, you guys are getting at least 6 free stocks, up to 12 free stocks, and you're going to be earning 5% on your cash balances. Don't have to buy a single share of anything, and you're getting that 5%. If you guys want cryptocurrency exclusive exchanges where you can buy, sell, trade, short, leverage, all that good stuff, you got KuCoin and Binance down there. Now, KuCoin and Binance, they offer rewards for the more active traders. So the more you trade, the more you're going to earn. But please be aware, if you're holding on those exchanges, it is going to be considered a loan to those exchanges. So if you want to mitigate that risk and make it your asset, you need to look at a cold storage or DeFi wallet. And finally, thank you to everybody going out to Amazon, grabbing your favorite bro merch, grabbing your favorite SHIB merch, literally grabbing anything off of Amazon because you guys are burning Shiba Inu Coin by doing so. In January, we burned 25 million. February, burned 25 million. In March, I want to burn 25 billion. Now, of course, I know that's a giant leap. So make sure to share that link with everybody that you guys know. Use it for every Amazon purchase. Literally, it doesn't cost you anything extra. It doesn't cost me anything extra. It doesn't cost anybody anything extra, and we're burning Shiba Inu Coin by doing so. Also, you've got free trials for like Amazon Music, Audible, and so on. Go grab yourself a couple free books and burn $5 with Shiba Inu Coin by signing up for that free trial. Now, let's discuss some technical analysis, and let's discuss the latest that the marketing expert, Lucy, is saying and doing out on X. Shiba Inu Coin eyes a 73% surge to 1,500 points per coin as SHIB deletes 1-0. Now, that's a stretch, but let's see how they get there because it can pan out that way. Shiba Inu Coin rebooted its bullish run as its price erased to zero to trade at a multi-week high of 1,002 points per coin. Shiba Inu Coin has been in an uptrend for the better part of the week as the price moved from a low of 920 points per coin to the current level, printing growth of about 5.6% in a 7-day period. As SHIB remains one of the most watched assets on the market, breaching the 1,000 point per coin barrier has triggered a new fundamental that might spell a good omen for the token. Shiba Inu Coin's market cap and trading volume are up 1.17% and 7% to $5.8 billion and $218 million, respectively. Now, SHIB breakout confirmed. New target locked. This is the interesting part. Since the second week of December, the price of Shiba Inu Coin has been hovering in a descending parallel channel. This setup has pushed SHIB to reverberate between the lower highs and lower lows on a daily chart. The current uptick, signaled by the break of the price above the 200-period moving average, exponential moving average, in case you guys are wondering, has the potential to set a new narrative that closely mirrors the token's historical trends. SHIB has also surged past the 50-day period exponential moving average, indicating bullish momentum in the short term. The last time SHIB broke out of a similar downtrend was in October of last year, and it led to an 80% increase. Now, October of last year was shortly after we had seen the surge in buying surrounding Shibarium. Now, Shiba Inu Coin, I guess, performing similar patterns to its historical price action is excellent, but we have to remember the market conditions right now are much different than they were when Shiba Inu Coin was ripping higher back in 2021. Just because we have a similar, I guess, technical pattern on a chart does not mean that we are going to have similar buys and sells taking place because, of course, the overall market is in a much different position. It says, if the projection applies to the current trend, Shiba Inu Coin can make a further move for the FIB 75 at 1525 points per coin, which would likely culminate into a 73% upsurge. While this growth percentage appears enormous, Shiba Inu Coin is historically known to break the norm, and it may surmount this current estimation. The revived SHIB army. Now it goes on to talk about how the Shiba Inu Coin community is reviving. We are seeing price action. We are growing, and so on. So I want to highlight really quick, though, a recent post by Lucy, the marketing expert. And Lucy is known for giving advice, but not taking it. Okay, I promise you, if Lucy just applied this advice to her own self, people would like her a lot more. Can things have been done better in the past? Absolutely, without a doubt. But we have learned from our mistakes, undoubtedly. That's how the best grow, through persistence, hard work, goodwill, and turning mistakes into valuable experience. Now, honestly, has anyone ever succeeded by pushing people around and being toxic? Lucy, I want you to know, in just the most, like, sit you down, sort of tell it to you straight level as I possibly can without being rude or whatever. You are toxic. You push people around. If somebody asks you a question, you block them. If somebody asks you a question, you immediately label it as FUD. If somebody is displaying concern, you don't ban them from the community. You address and ease that concern. So you are who you are talking about. And I mean that in the most sincere form possible. The answer is a resounding no. Desperation is not the path to success. It's not acceptable to be rude, lack information, and refuse to read. In fact, it's quite the opposite. Yes, we know. Do it. Just do it. And you guys have noticed, right? All of her comments, and she's made another post, all of her comments are going to be turned off for the next week. They're going to be turned off following this sales pitch of Shiboshis to the Shiba Inu Coin community. They're going to be turned off because people are asking where the $500,000 that they didn't burn is. She has no answers, and she is unwilling to say that she has no answers, and the team can't be trusted. Sure, there are many things yet to unfold, but whether you're rude or supportive, it's essential that things are done properly and with consideration for everyone, not just one part of the group. That's the essence of an ecosystem. But the ecosystem is for SHIB. The ecosystem is to benefit SHIB. The ecosystem is not to benefit your bags and bone. Bone must be sacrificed if that's necessary to see SHIB benefit. Just to let you know that. Don't lose track of where you came from. We won't We won't sacrifice one group to benefit another, just to please a few, and disregard the consequences. Just to let you know, Lucy, the SHIB army is not a few. The SHIB army is millions strong. Bone army is actually a few. Bone holders, the bone creators, Satoshi, Cal, you, Da Vinci. I mean, that's the few. And Bone was created to support Shiba Inu Coin. Bone was not created to be an equal to Shiba Inu Coin. Bone was created to benefit the SHIB army. And unfortunately for you, if you are a Bone holder, you must sacrifice for the greater good of Shiba Inu Coin. You must sacrifice for the SHIB community. And this isn't even a real sacrifice. This is simply doing what you said you were going to do by burning, literally, it's like 500, well, more than that, because Bone's down about 50 cents, burning 1 million bone. I don't know what you guys are waiting on. And this nonsense absolutely has to stop. Let me know what you guys think about it down in the comments below. And if that button right there is still red, make sure to click it. Subscribe to the channel. Join us. Become a bro. We are here every single day. And we are growing our portfolios together. Claybro883 everywhere. 6 to 12 free stocks on Webull, KuCoin, and Binance. Free Discord. And until the next time, hope to each and every one of you have an awesome day. Let's get started.